Hey, it is January 6th, Saturday, 2018. Look what just got dropped off here. Whoa, could it be? I don't think it's a basketball. Don't think it's a piano. Could be a keyboard. Could be. Kind of looks like a keyboard. Or it's not a kayak, too short for a kayak. Too short for, well, it could be garden tools. It could be. It could be. That's a possibility. What is it here? Well, it's packed pretty good. That's for sure. Got any damages? Looks like it's been punctured by the shippers. No. UPS does a good job. UPS is the best, I think. FedEx, oh no, not those guys. They have bashed several of my packages and been very late with some. Well, we gotta dig through all this and see what we find. Better take her down onto the ground. Yeah, I'm a little bit constrained here because I'm holding a phone camera at the same time as I have a helper here. So we're going to open this up, see what we get, huh? There we go. Let's dig up some of this stuff and see if we can... Oh, wait. What the heck is that in there? Look at all this stuff. We got enough plastic bags to start our own recycling factory here. What is it, Gabber? What is it? What is it there? Huh. Could be a jewelry box, maybe, huh? Something like that. Can you tell, Gabber? You tell what it is? I said, oh, this is a nice box. I want this box. When you're done with it, it'll be great to chomp up. Okay, out you go. Ah! Come on. Out you go. Out you go. Come on. You can sit up there for a while, eh? You sit up there. Okay. Let's go this direction. Back this way. See if we can yank it out of there. Wow. I'm rich with plastic bags now. That's something I've always wanted. That's something I've always wanted. Huh. Somebody sent me something here. Something big. Wow. Oh, I don't know what it might be. Might be pool cues. I've been wanting some new pool cues. Long and skinny box like that. Could have a bunch of pool cues in it. Damn. This guy really wanted to protect those pool cues. Oh, wait. No, it widens out there. It looks like a banjo. Could be a banjo. Yeah, it's got that banjo shape. Yeah. Oh, wait. Wait, what? Whoa! What the hell is this? What the heck is this thing? Oh, I don't know. Let's take a look and see what we got here. Looks like a guitar. Well, I'll be darned. Anything come with the box? Besides a lot of plastic? No. Okay, let's move the guitar over here. Well, it's a guitar case anyway. Doesn't necessarily mean it's a guitar inside. Could be a machine gun. Could be an AR-15. I certainly need one of those. Not. Case looks pretty good. dings on the case anywhere. You better look and see. It's a little ding. It doesn't look exactly new. It's kind of frayed a little bit. I don't think this is a new thing. I think this is an old thing. Oh yeah. The new ones don't come like this. They definitely don't. No, you have to earn that stuff. Got to earn this stuff. This has got to be banged around a little bit to get that kind of stuff going. So I'm just thinking this is not a new thing at all. Now, it could be a new guitar in there, if there's a guitar. Sometimes people sell guitars new with old cases. That could be the case. It might not even be a Gibson. Who knows? Well, what's that? Bunch of peanuts. Let's get rid of them right away. Unboxing the mystery. Looks like a guitar, all right. It's not an AR-15. It's not pool cues. Let's take a look. What do we have here exactly? That's kind of interesting looking. That's kind of interesting looking, eh? What do we have down in there? An ES-330 TDC. Look at these. I think that's chrome, not nickel. Look at this. It's pretty nifty. Okay, what else we got here? What do you know? It is a Gibson. A real Gibson. Look at that. Somebody sent me a frickin'... What's that there? Kind of weird. Looks like there's some little dings in the fretboard there. I'll be damned. Look at that. Somebody's seen me an old bashed up Gibson. What do you know? So let's check the rest. What else we got here? No cracked neck. Original tuners. What does that say? 404. Can't quite read it. I'll be darned. This looks pretty decent shape. Well, I think I know what it is. It's a 1966 Gibson 330. 330 ES-330 TDC. The C stands for cherry, and it's pretty cherry. Well, ho! What do you know? Okay. That's it for there.